So these are the stuff I've bought at AutoZone. I have wire here. I bought two separate colors so I can separate the color codes. And here are the connectors that I've bought to do the connection. Yep, this is a 4-way connector, but I'm only gonna use 2 part of it, and I'm just gonna use 2 sides of the connector, even though it's a 4-way connector. And these are the couplings, the things that I'm gonna use to connect the wires together. So this is how this is gonna work. It's gonna be plugged in like this. So whenever if we're taking the wheel hub off, or we can disconnect. If we need to disconnect, we can disconnect this thing. Yep, it's also waterproof. You can see it have the seal right there, and it has 4 wires, so I'm only gonna use 2. So I'm gonna use these 2, and once I line it up, I can decide which 2. So if you're doing this and you can get the connector with 2 wires, it will be much better, much more uniform. I'm gonna probably have to cut these off, you know, but I'm gonna do it first and make sure it works, then I cut these off just to make sure. I'm gonna use my tester to test both ends of the wire to make sure I'm getting signal from both sides. and I'm gonna switch the car off, leave the ignition on, and then I'm gonna use my tester to see if I'm getting some signal from the ECU. These are all connected, so it's supposed to be coming directly now from the ABS module. So I'm gonna put my tester on it. Now that my voltage is all connected up, I'm gonna see what happens. So as you can see, I'm getting a steady 4.75 volts, and that actually is coming from the module that controls the computer module that controls the ABS. I'm back in the car. I'm gonna start the car now to see if the ABS light goes away, and there you go, it's gone. So the next thing now is that I'm gonna drive the car, and then from there's no open circuit now, so from there I'm gonna drive the car and see if everything works fine while driving.